So hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can install Freigher wallet and create an account, connect to the Stellar testnet and get some testnet tokens in your wallet. Okay, so with that let's get started. First of all, come to your browser and search for Freigher wallet extension. Okay, it's just a Chrome extension, so we'll be downloading it from our Chrome web store. Go to the first link, click this add to Chrome button, then add extensions. Then you can see the downloading has been started. Yep. So now the download process has been done. Let me pin this extension because I'll be using it again and again. Once you download the Fighter wallet extension, you will be landing on this page. Let's create a wallet. Okay. Create a new wallet. Let me quickly set up a password. This is your recovery phrase, something which you want to keep private. Okay. Since this is just a tutorial, so I'm showing you guys. Okay, make sure to take a photo or somewhere. Okay, I took a screenshot. So I'll be using it later. Okay. Yeah, this is the screenshot. I have saved my key phrase. Now I have to select these words using the screenshot I took. So the first is for comments, dot cube. So now it's done. Let's confirm. Yeah. So after doing this, guys, you have successfully set up your Fighter wallet. You can see like I have just created a wallet or account in my Fighter wallet, and this account has zero. Okay. So, right now. So the first thing we need to do is to switch from mainnet to testnet. And like this, you can switch, okay, by clicking in this earth icon, then select testnet. Now we switch to testnet, and now I can click this fund with friend board button to fund this account with 10,000 XLM tokens. Okay, so soon see it got funded. And if you want to access the wallet address of your account, you can click on the account, okay, and then you will see all the list of accounts. Right now, I only got one account, okay. Here I got three dots. If you click it, you will see this option to copy the wallet address of this account also. If I click it, see the address got copied. Let me show you how the address looks like. See, this is how the address looks like. Okay, this is the address of my account. Cool. If you even want to see my account in the Block Explorer, for that as well, you need to click here, then here, and then this is how you can rename your wallet as well if you want. Okay, I can give it another name, for example, Paynes Shah. Right. Yep, like this, guys. Cool. So that's how you set up your Fighter wallet, guys. See you in another video.